price has just been reduced. Imagine being surrounded by running creeks and wild game. Plenty of room to let your horses or cattle graze. This is a developer's delight. Or could be a place to build your dream home. Just imagine your own 61.89 acres of pure natural beauty located in the heart of Middle Tennessee. With many potential building sites to choose from. Or build your castle facing your favorite view. You have 2 flowing creeks on the property. Roam through the vintage hardwood trees and pine groves. This wonderful land is loaded with white-tailed deer, wild turkey, and other small game. It is conveniently located within minutes of Interstate 65. The city of Spring Hill. Just 20 minutes from Franklin and 840. Yet is still secluded enough to enjoy Mother Nature at her very best. Over 1,800 feet of paved road front with city water supply. Develop. Hunt. Fish.